Okay, I forgot a couple of key points. Please never share your yarn roller with anyone. I wanted to show you, this is the high rose with copper peptides. GHK copper peptides for the skin. We have AHK for hair. So if you do like the widow's peak, look how much hair I have in my widow's peak now. It's crazy good. All right, anyway, I'm gonna liberally apply high rose with copper peptides. I am gonna put a lot on and let it sit on the surface of the skin because the repairing mechanisms always go up. I've been watching a lot of videos. You barely touch your skin ever. Go up, go around your ears though, because that, and then go around your neck and make a swirl. That's a Dr. Perrycone tip. Go up, 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 around the eyes, under and in, over and out, under and in, over and out, under and in. Yes, I'm going right in with high rose with copper peptides. I'm going to go around my lips and then back the reverse way. So I'm going to leave some on top of the skin and it will soak in, and in about 5 minutes, 10 minutes, if it needs more, I'm going to put more on. This is not a scam to get you to buy more high rose with copper peptides. It's very good. I'm putting it on the back of my hands also because I did roll a little bit there. You only do this about once a month. So there's really, no problem, no excuse fitting it into your routine, whatever. It takes a couple of minutes and then you're done. Tomorrow I'll wash my face as normal and cleanse, tone, moisturize, get back on the routine. It'll be fine. Oh, look at the tracks I made. See, don't press. Don't press. All right. Thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it. This is like my second video maybe ever. So please be kind. Talk to you later.